Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Glad to be back. This video is going to be something a little different than normal, and what I got behind me, and I'm going to show you here in a second. I picked this thing up dirt cheap. So go ahead right now in the comments, tell me how much you think I paid for this, and at the end of this video I would disclose how much I paid for this trailer. Flip this trailer to make some money to invest into a bigger trailer, hopefully a car trailer. So let's go ahead, let me show you what I got and we'll go from there. So what we have here is a 12-foot utility trailer. Somebody converted it to a lawn trailer. I did buy this from a buddy. He was going to take it to the scrap yard like this, and I told him that I would take the trailer and I would give him scrap price for it. And as you can tell, the wheel's off, and I'm going to show you the reason why here in a minute, why I'm doing this. What I'm going to do is I'm taking the box off of the trailer. I'm going to eliminate these things. I don't know what these were used for. Maybe a cooler at some point. For whatever reason, the weed eater stand there. Now this trailer did come with a back gate, and I'll show you over here. It also had a side ramp gate, and the guy that I got it from, he cut it off because right there it rusted off the hinge for it, so he went and cut this side off. He did offer me the gate back. I did not want the gate for it. He's going to use it for something else that he has a plan for. It also had the back gate also, and he said the pin broke on this side, so he went and cut that side off of it and whatnot. So this trailer does not have the gates on it, but it does have brakes on the front axle. Go ahead and show you right now what I'm going to do here. So when I bought this trailer for a huge steal, he said it this back axle, it flips up and it hangs and whatnot. And he got a quote from a local trailer place, and they're going to put a shackle kit and all that on this trailer. They're going to charge him $75 to do it. What I'm going to do is right there in the bag, I'll show you what I got from the local Rural King, and hopefully it's the right parts, and I will show you the reasoning why. I'm hoping, because there's some measurements you got to take off that Y there. So they said that the shackle kit, you know, to replace all these parts, all the bolts, this part here, we're gonna replace all of that. And like I said, I want the Rural King, and I bought a new one of these. It does come with the new nylon bushings in them there, and all three of them. I have to take this one off. I have to measure it from center to center on each bolt there, then from center to the Y right here, from here to here. I'll have to measure, and hopefully it's all the same. Then I got a whole new shackle kit. We won't be worried about these here. I'm not going to weld these in. These are still good. I'm just getting the bolts and the plates and all that. So out on the other side pretty bad, and I'm gonna replace one side for right now, and next weekend I'll go ahead and I'll do the other one. But I gave 11 bucks for this piece here, and it was $23 for the whole kit right there for that box. So that's pretty good. As you can see, our nylon bushing that sits in there is ate up, ate through. So we may have to run back to the store and get some more nylon bushings. So, let me show you here. As you can tell, our top bushing up in here is no good whatsoever. That's ate up. Oh, you can tell back here in the back, it's been wallowed out right there. And I think we may be able to use this nylon bushing here. Alright, so I went ahead and took the nylon bushing out of this one since it was a good one. And I went ahead and put it in the bottom over here. So let's go ahead, let's tighten these up. And we'll go from there. And this side should be done. Owie. Broke that one. All right, I don't know where the video dropped off at because the phone got too hot and it shut down, so quit recording. I apologize for that, but I went ahead and I cut the bolt off of this shackle because I couldn't get it loose. And I do have one good bushing right there, and that's all I need for the leaf spring over there. And we do have another good bushing in that one. that's gonna do it for all today's video. This is part one of the trailer repair. What we're gonna do in another video is we're gonna be upgrading all the lights on it except for the tail lights. They do have LED lights on the back of it, but we are going to add more lighting to the trailer, so whenever this thing gets pulled down the road or whatever at nighttime, you won't be able to miss it. Also, like I said at the beginning of this video, the box is coming off, those are coming off, but stay tuned for part two where we upgrade all that and start removing that stuff. So if you like what you saw, comment, subscribe below.